So, hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So, today, we're talking about food preservation tools, equipment, and utensils for processing food by sugar concentration. So, first, let us define the utensils. So, number one is the colander bowl. Colander are useful for draining water from boiled food such as large pasta, shape, and potatoes. So, second is a mixing bowl. Mixing bowl is a round bowl of varying size that are used for combining food ingredients when preparing recipe. So, third is a steamer. Steamer is a cookware consisting of insert or layer with perforation in the bottom. So fourth is a casserole. A casserole is a deep dish, round or an oval with lid and slapping sides of and made of oven-safe glass or ceramic materials available in 1 1/2, 2 and 3/4 size. So 5. Chopping board. Chopping board is a hard surface utensil that is generally made of wood or glass. So 6 is the measuring spoon. Measuring spoon are set of spoon used to measure small amount of ingredients. So number 7, measuring cup. Measuring cup are set of marked cup used to measure dry ingredients such as sugar and flour. So number 8 is a measuring glass. Measuring glass is a transparent cup with the lines called marker lines to indicate that the amount of liquid each marker lines stand a specific amount of liquid. So, number 9 is a masher. A masher is a kitchen utensil used to pour, mash, or coarsely nor various food. So, number 10 is a stainless or enamel pan. Are used for numerous food preparation tasks, which may require they be heat and cooked while being resistant to cookware baking paste. So, number 11, food slicer. Food slicer is a saw slicing fruits and vegetables into different size. Number 12 is a peeler, used to remove the outer skin or rinds of a fruit and vegetables. Tongs. Tongs is used to gop that it can be moved from one location to another to be used to clip foods over. So number 14, sterilized bottle. It's used in packing or storing of food. Number 15, spatula. Is the serving and spreading food stuffing. So, number 16, kitchen spoon. Kitchen utensils that is used for several purposes such as stirring, serving, and transferring food. Number 17, kitchen fork. Type of fork that is used for a many different cooking tasks. Number 18, a strainer. A kitchen device that is used to strain liquid or a safe dry ingredient. 19, utility tray. Used to hold food or product. So, thank you for watching.